Listen. This is one of the most beautiful sounds to any Shopify merchant. It's music to your ears, right? But those who were wondering, what was that sound? It's the notification you hear every time you make a sale in your Shopify store. So here's the question. How do you hear more of it? The answer is simple. Focus on the customers who left their carts behind. These are your hottest leads. People who were this close to buying. They just left. Indecisive. Distracted, but still interested. So how do you bring them back? You need to give them a reason that feels like a no-brainer. And the most effective way to do that? A time-limited discount with a live countdown timer. Why? Because urgency converts. When people feel they're about to miss out, they take action. But that's not all. You also need to remind them before the timer expires. And that's where CartRescuePRO comes in. It helps too. Send curiosity-driven emails to cart abandoners, deliver them to personalized landing pages, show them a limited-time offer just for them, trigger FOMO with live countdowns, auto-apply the discount in their cart. It's seamless, smart, and there's nothing like it on Shopify. So if you want to hear that sound more often, install CartRescuePRO and turn abandoned carts into beautiful music.